Other door.
You said this was a restoration job. It's a forgery job.
We know why you hate him.
Think of this as a way to get revenge.
This isn't about the unfinished Kristofers, is it? These don't even speak of them.
Everybody knows what one original Julian Sklar from that period is worth.
I lied. You are to speak of them once, when you tell me they are no more. And then bring me the evidence. It's not that I don't trust you, Laurie. It's just that I don't trust you. Have you ever been betrayed, Laurie?
I was hired by Barnaby and Sally to complete the unfinished Kristofers.
And what makes you think that you could do it?
I guess that's where the art of it comes in.
Oh, pooh.
The first Kristofer series, there's a delicacy, colours warm with each successive layer. In the third and fourth, the light got denser and the oils thickened. There was a liftedness. You were falling in love, and for the first time, you were free.
I have a relationship with the canvas. And when I've said what I've got to say to it, take that, it goes.
Where do you think it goes?
I thought that I'd seen it before. Did I cause you to quit?
Group one. You can take them out, you can burn them.
Don't leave me. Even after all of the mess, I should have liked to have lasted. To last in the mind of others. You know, I was once in a throuple, back when it was merely called infidelity.
No, that... Never mind.